Welcome to Ratsusila Holistics. Today I am going to explain you about sage. Sage is a dried plant. Sage looks like this. It also sage, when we make it into powder, it looks like this. Sage is very useful for smudging our spaces. Sage can be used in many ways. Daily, in day-to-day life, we wear gemstones and use crystals in our life. They absorb negativity, and we wonder how to remove the negativity out of our crystals or gemstones. Some people come to me and ask, we have gone and attended a funeral. My gemstones could have absorbed negativity from there. What should I do to clear it? The easy way to clear it, to smudge it with sage. How you will smudge it with sage? You take a sage, not so much, a small bundle of it, and light it with fire, and you will get fumes, that is dua. That what you do, you smudge your house, like you put sambrani, loban and all. In the same way, you should smudge with sage. At least once in a month you do this, it is very good. Done on a full moon day, you will get manifold effect when smudging is done on a full moon day. Now, while the time you are doing housewarming or just you want to clear space, you can do it once in a month. Smudging sage in your prayer room or in your meditation place will help you to connect with God very fast. So there also you can be smudging it often. This sage is a antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal in property. So you can use it to sanitize your house. Even during this corona, you can sanitize and be free from corona. You can use it in that way. And sage you can use in many other ways also. Another important thing is, some people, what will happen, past memories, abusive thoughts will taunt them. Such people, if they smudge themselves, how they will smudge? They light it and smudge with the dua. From head you start until your legs you smudge yourself. Doing this for 45 days continuously will help you to come out of all that bad memories and abusive memories which you have experienced in your past. And also that people suffering from nightmare, they should smudge their bedroom before going to sleep so that they will have good quality of sleep. In 2016, a vast study and research was done by NIH about this sage. They came to the conclusion that sage contains lot of polyphenols in it that will help to cure Alzheimer's and dementia if they are in the early stages. So if you have any patients of Alzheimer's or dementia in your house, make it a point to smudge sage every day in your home. Sage also has the property to drive away evil spirits and entities. For that also you can use it. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe it.